I know I've not done one of these before, but there's a new one. My protein barbecue chicken pizza. Protein high, 50 gram. I'm going to try this because I've seen it when I was on my shops, and I'll show you when it is done. Okay, so here we go. Like I said before, something new: barbecue chicken ham pizza. Yeah, so I know it's a bit burnt around the edges. Yeah, so I'm going to try this out and then I will let you know how it tastes. So, okay, so that my protein barbecue chicken pizza, I'll give it a 10 out of 10. Spot on. Like saying it's something new what I've just had today. But like saying, I've done it for, it says what on the box, 18 to 20 minutes. I done it for 21. Like I say, it was a bit burnt, but hey, that's how I love my pizzas. Yeah, so if you're not already, don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and ding on that bell, and I'll see you very soon.